Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without losing data. First thing you need to do is to prepare your Android phone by connecting it to the Wi-Fi and preventing the screen to turn off. On your Android, open the Google Play Store and search for Move to iOS. Download and install the app and keep the Android device next to your iPhone. Now, turn on your iPhone and choose your language and region, then do the initial setup screen. Choose the Wi-Fi and connect to the same one your Android device is connected to, then continue through the data and privacy screen by tapping continue. Now, choose to set up Face ID now or later and create your iPhone passcode. Now, during iPhone setup, when you reach the apps and data screen, tap from Android. Your iPhone will display a 6-digit or 10-digit code. Now your Android open, move to iOS app and tap continue, then accept the terms and follow the required permissions. Enter the code displayed on your iPhone and the two devices will connect securely. Now on your Android device, move to iOS, will show a list of data types you can transfer. Select WhatsApp and you can only choose only WhatsApp if that's all you want. Now move to iOS will now prepare and export your WhatsApp data. Now wait for it to finish and once completed, your Android will confirm the transfer. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.